What if the road to heaven is narrow and the gate straight? What if it's so narrow that we have to let go of self in order to stay on it? What if it takes courage, strength, and determination? What if the hellish shadow of Satan will always be athwart the path? What if the peace that surpasses all understanding will cost you battles severe to keep? What if the battle gets so intense that it will take special training to make it? What if God has a plan to help us? What if God gave a blueprint, a way to keep us on the straight and narrow? As this world spins into chaos, and the love of many wax cold, as nation rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, as it becomes clear that this is not our home, as we see all these things, we know that it is near, even at the doors. God calls his people to prepare for their everlasting home, and he gave us the way to do it. Obedience is better than sacrifice. God gave us a light to guide our feet from falling. God told us ahead of time what tools we would need for the journey. Medical missionary work, country living, self-sacrifice, a sound understanding and prophecy, and the faith of Jesus are all tools you will need as the path narrows and we make our final steps to the kingdom. Join MacKenzie Drebit, Timon Spuller, Randy Skeete, Barbara O'Neill, Scotty Meyer, and Matthew Schanche, along with music, workshops, plenaries, and much more. August 21st to the 27th, 2023, to get a hands-on knowledge of God's blueprint to weather you through the storm ahead, as we press onward, forward, homeward.